A clearance is part of a driver's license restoration in the sense that a clearance is what people who no longer live in Michigan get so that they can obtain a license in their new state. If you are a Michigan resident and your license has been revoked and you want to get your privileges reinstated, you file a driver's license restoration, and the Secretary of State looks at your case and decides that in fact, yes, you will, or no, you will not be given a driver's license. If you don't live in Michigan, you're not eligible for a driver's license, so the Secretary of State can't say yes, you have one, or no, you can't have one. Instead, what you're asking Michigan to do is clear its hold. Your revocation becomes a hold the minute you move out of state. So for example, many of my clients have moved to Florida or Arizona or places like that. And when they go to the DMV to get a license, they're told we can't give you one because you have a hold in Michigan. You apply for a clearance and it requires the same evidence as a driver's license restoration, a substance abuse evaluation, letters of support. In my office, we mandate a live hearing, so all of my clients come back for a live hearing. It's really the identical evidence presented. There are no differences in how a restoration or clearance case proceed, with the exception that at the very end, in a license restoration case, you say, I would ask that you grant my client restricted driving privileges or full driving privileges. At the end of a clearance, you say, I would ask that you grant my client a clearance so that he can obtain a license in Florida or California. But everything up until that moment is identical. It clears the way for you to get your license in another state.